Still stuck trying side hustles that don't work? You're not alone. If you've tried writing books, affiliate marketing, or dropshipping, and you're still not earning real, consistent passive income, honestly, it's not your fault. Most of those methods take forever to pay off, or just burn you out before you even see a single dollar. But what if you could earn monthly royalties on Amazon, without ever writing a single word? Imagine publishing books, and I mean real sellable books, without spending months typing, editing, or stressing over every page. That's where the Zero-Write KDP Profit System comes in. This is the #1 program designed to show you how to build a real book business on Amazon using AI, done-for-you templates, and shortcuts that just work. No more blank page anxiety, no more endless drafts. Here's what you'll learn inside. How to uncover profitable niches that most people ignore. How to use AI to create high-quality content in minutes, not months. How to publish your first book on Amazon in under 2 hours. Plus, the exact automation tools that help you scale up with minimal effort, even if you're a total beginner. And don't just take my word for it. There are hundreds of students already earning between $500 and $5,000 or more every single month using this exact method. No prior experience, no special skills. Just following a proven system and letting Amazon handle the heavy lifting. Now you might be thinking, but I'm not a writer. Good news, you don't have to be. But I'm not techie, that's fine too. The setup is beginner friendly and you can start with just a few hours a week, alongside your regular job or studies. But here's the catch, this special offer won't last forever. Right now, you can get full access to the Zero-Write KDP Profit System for just $27, plus bonuses worth $497, absolutely free. But only if you act before this page expires. So, if you're ready to build real passive income with Amazon KDP without writing a word, click the button below right now. Get instant access, claim your bonuses, and let's start building your passive income empire today.